Hi everyone, I am MKT Software. In this video, I will introduce to everyone a software tool that supports well. You can spam automatically in bulk into the groups on Facebook. I will use MKT Care software, as that I can feed a series of Facebook accounts. The software will support you to raise a series of Facebook accounts and can automatically advertise by posting or commenting messages for group members. Here first you go to the viral marketing section. You choose the comment group. First you need to create a list of UID groups. I already have a list of UID groups. You can use data scanning software MKT Data Software to be able to scan group data by keywords. I already have a UID list, and you can copy the entire UID list. Then you put it into the software. The software will recognize the groups you want to comment on. After you save the UID group list, you set up your own comment. The first is the number. The second thing is how many groups per comment account is the maximum. Maximum number of posts per account. Here below you set up the space between the two actions. Finally, you can choose the content so you can comment. Then here I will add a comment to convert the comment into an image. You can use images to send you spam. This will help you avoid the fact that a comment by text. Facebook will scan your account very strongly. This means that your account will be locked. Finally, you can choose to give yourself a Facebook account so you can use it to spam comments. If you click the Start Booto, the software will open the Chrome browser. Each browser will be a Facebook account and will support you directly into the groups that you are interested in, and will automatically comment on the articles in these groups. Check together, follow the process of the software mechanism will go comment spam. If you are interested in the software, you can contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. I will assist and set up the installation for you. Thank you for watching all the videos, and see you in the next video.